Hey everyone, it's Tom here with thisonlineworld.com, and I hope you're all having a fantastic day today. So when it comes to making quick cash on the side, online focus groups are some of the most lucrative options out there. These type of market research opportunities can pay hundreds of dollars per hour, and one of the most popular companies in the space, Apex Focus Group, has been all over TikTok and social media claiming you can make hundreds of dollars per week by taking part in focus groups. But is Apex Focus Group legit, and can you actually earn hundreds of dollars a week by using the platform? Well, I signed up for Apex Focus Group and took a look around to find out, and this episode of Scam or Legit is covering exactly how it works, some of the red flags I noticed, and what some better alternatives are that you can use to actually make money online with focus groups. Let's get to it. All right, so just getting started, what is Apex Focus Group all about? Well, it's an online portal that consolidates paid focus group opportunities from around the web in one place for people to make money. So it's basically like an online job board just for focus group opportunities. It's completely free to sign up for, and once you create an account with your email, you just answer a brief profile questionnaire about yourself to help Apex Focus Group match you to different focus group opportunities. Once you complete the sign up process, you can then browse a list of open focus group opportunities and apply to them to try and make money. And so you can actually check out a list of current studies going on just by visiting the website. And here are some ones that I found recently. There's a business travel one with a $125 payout for men and women between the ages of 20 and 55. A pet products one with a $250 payout, one study on alcoholic beverages, $125 payout, a home financing one, $300 payout, and one on women's clothing, paying up to $200. So you basically use the website to find these focus group opportunities, and then you apply to them if they're interesting to you and a good fit. Now, the main thing to note here is you apply to the actual focus group company on a separate website. Again, Apex Focus Group is just consolidating these opportunities. It's not actually paying you directly or offering these studies to you directly. So you click on a study you're interested in, and then you get redirected somewhere else and have to fill out that sign up process. When I was testing out this site, it also sent me a ton of emails every single day with different opportunities. So I found it a little bit spammy. And again, the main takeaway is it's not paying you directly. It's just connecting you to these opportunities. All right, so how much does Apex Focus Group actually pay? Well, I kind of just covered it, and it actually doesn't pay you anything because it is just a middleman company that connects you to different studies that are going on. And so the studies seem quite lucrative. Again, $50 to $200 per hour, or even more. But again, Apex Focus Group isn't paying you, it's just advertising these opportunities. And the site actually says you can earn up to $750 per week, but in my opinion, this is a little bit misleading. Because again, Apex Focus Group is just a middleman. It has no guarantee that you ever qualify for these studies. It has no guarantee of paying you. And if you look at recent Trustpilot reviews, they're actually horrendous. I mean, tons of people are saying it's a scam and that they never got paid, or that they're actually just getting spammy emails from all these companies and they've never actually qualified for a study. And it's actually really hard to find a positive review from anyone who says that they've been paid and that it's legit. And when I tested it out, I tried applying to a few sites, but I kept getting redirected to all these different portals, and some of them looked a little bit spammy and sketchy, so I just really didn't want to dive deeper than that. And so overall, you might be able to find a lucrative focus group or study with Apex Focus Groups, but I think you have a much higher chance of just wasting time, maybe getting some of your information stolen or getting spam emails all the time. So really not looking too good. Okay, so just wrapping up this episode of Scam or Legit, let's go through the pros and cons of Apex Focus Group. Well, the main pro of this site, I have to say, is just the wide variety of studies. It does a good job at consolidating them on a single place. So, you can't really fault it for that. However, there are a lot of cons. Just off of the bat, there's no guarantee of payment, which I really, really dislike. The second con I have to say is it's a very spammy website. Its ads are spammy. It then says you can make $750 per week, which I don't know how they came up with that number. And again, you get a ton of emails after you sign up, which I really didn't like. And the third con just has to be the number of poor online reviews. You can look on Reddit, you can look on Trustpilot. I have an Apex Focus Group review on thisonlineworld.com that kind of sums all of this up. They're pretty much all bad reviews. No one really likes this site. All right, so for the Scam or Legit score, what am I giving Apex Focus Group? Well, I'm giving it a 0.5 out of 5 for this one. I like what it's trying to do in consolidating all of these high-paying focus group opportunities, but it's spammy and it doesn't guarantee payment, and I think its advertisements are very misleading. Now, if you actually want to make money with focus groups or giving your opinion online, I think using platforms like Respondent or user interviews are a much better alternative. And the main reason for this is both of these platforms actually process payments to you. So yes, they host these focus group opportunities from different companies, but they actually deal with the payment. So if you qualify for a study on Respondent or user interviews and you complete it, you're actually going to get paid. Studies on these platforms can also pay, $50, $100, $150 per hour, and you're getting paid with PayPal cash oftentimes, or sometimes through gift cards. So it's high paying and it is legit. I've covered both of these Apex Focus Group alternatives on thisonlineworld.com as well. So I'm going to link those reviews down below. You can check them out. I'm still trying to qualify for studies on them, so I haven't made money with them yet, but they're much more reputable. And again, they actually process the payments on the platform, so you know you're getting paid if you complete a study. Anyways, guys, I hope this review of Apex focus groups has kind of highlighted how spammy and misleading the site is. I see ads for it everywhere on Google and TikTok and social media, so I figure they're trying to recruit people right now. So hopefully you stumbled across this video and you know that it's worth skipping, at least in my opinion. That's all for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic week. And as always, don't forget to check out thisonlineworld.com for more unique ways to make and save money. Catch you guys in the next one.